If your Can-Am is equipped with the newer 10.25-inch display system and you want to access factory Apple CarPlay without connecting a Bluetooth headset, we have the perfect solution. Introducing the EvolutionR USB Headset Bypass and CarPlay Activation Adapter. Although these vehicles include Apple CarPlay from the factory, simply plugging in your iPhone isn't enough. The system requires a driver headset to be paired before CarPlay becomes available. The EvolutionR Bypass adapter satisfies that requirement by registering with the system as the paired driver headset, allowing Apple CarPlay to become available without the need for a physical headset. Its pass-through USB port allows you to connect and charge your iPhone while using compatible navigation, music, messaging, and other CarPlay apps through the factory display. After the initial setup, the adapter reconnects automatically each time the vehicle is started, so all you have to do is plug in your iPhone and select CarPlay from the home screen. Please note that a compatible data cable is required so that your iPhone can receive power and communicate with the factory display. First, ensure your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi and the display is running the latest firmware. If there's an update available, navigate to the General Preferences tab and download the update. Once the download is complete, select Install Update. Make sure the vehicle remains powered on throughout the entire installation process. The display will restart automatically as the update is installed. After the system reboots, follow any additional instructions shown on the screen. On our 2024 Spyder RT Limited, the system required us to restart the vehicle. Navigate back to the software update screen to confirm there are no further updates available. Next, return to the Preferences menu and select Bluetooth. Then select Driver Headset. Now you can open the center storage compartment and locate the vehicle's factory USB-A connector. Connect the EvolutionR Bypass adapter to the factory USB connector, making sure the connection is fully seated. On your display, you can now select Add New Device. Once EvolutionR Bypass appears in the available device list, select the plus icon next to the device name to begin pairing. Allow a few seconds for the connection to complete. Next, connect the USB-A end of your iPhone cable to the open USB port on the EvolutionR Bypass adapter. Connect the other end of the cable to your iPhone and confirm that the phone begins charging. Once connected, the Apple CarPlay icon on the home screen will become active and you can select it to control your compatible navigation, music, messaging, and other CarPlay apps. Now every time you start the vehicle, the EvolutionR Bypass will connect automatically and you can select CarPlay from the home screen when your iPhone is plugged in. If the EvolutionR adapter is connected but CarPlay won't activate, first make sure you're using a compatible data cable. A charge-only cable will charge your phone, but it won't activate Apple CarPlay. Next, confirm that your vehicle's display is running the latest firmware and update it if there's new software available. Then, make sure the EvolutionR Bypass adapter is fully inserted into the factory USB port. The indicator light on the adapter should be blinking. If CarPlay still doesn't activate, disconnect your iPhone and open General Settings and locate CarPlay. Then select the vehicle it was connecting to and choose Forget this car. Then plug your iPhone back into the vehicle and reconnect. You can also remove the EvolutionR Bypass from the driver headset menu on your vehicle's display and then pair it again as a new driver headset. If you're ready to use Apple CarPlay without a headset on your compatible Can-Am, head over to slingmods.com or click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged in to everything on 3 wheels. We'll see you out on the road.